Hi guys, so today we are bringing the sunny flavors of Goa right in your own kitchen with this flavorful homemade Goan style chicken fry. This crispy and tangy chicken fry is a staple in Goan homes. It is a perfect for a quick and flavorful meal. We'll be marinating tender pieces of chicken in a blend of aromatic spices including chili powder, turmeric and a touch of tangy tamarind before frying them to golden perfection. Get ready for a burst of coastal flavors. This recipe is a perfect balance of spicy, tangy and savory. Whether you are a fan of Goan cuisine or just looking for a simple and delicious chicken fry, this recipe is a must try. So grab your fresh chicken and spices, get ready to experience the taste of Goa and let's cook up a storm together. So now let's begin. So first take 1 cm round tamarind. Add 3 tablespoons water and then soak the tamarind for about half an hour. Then take 500 grams chicken boneless and cut in medium pieces. Add some salt to taste. Add 1 stock cube, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, half tablespoon lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, half tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 2 tablespoon besan flour or gram flour, 1 tablespoon corn flour, half tablespoon garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon red food color, 1 whole egg, and then take the soaked tamarind which was previously kept and simply squeeze it to extract the tamarind juice and simply add it to the chicken. Then give this a nice mix and marinate this for about 1 hour. Then simply deep fry the marinated chicken pieces. Make sure the oil is not too hot and fry it on a medium flame. Fry it for about 12 to 15 minutes. Until the chicken is nice and crispy and golden brown. So the chicken is ready now. Make sure it is something like this. Then remove it in a separate plate. Then simply sprinkle some chicken masala on top and some chopped coriander leaves and garnish it with some onion. And there you have it guys, a delicious and crispy homemade Goan style chicken fry. Be sure to let me know in the comments below how your chicken fry turned out. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more delicious recipes to come. It's a truly flavorful and easy way to experience the taste of Goa. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.